Hey everyone, in this video we will be unboxing the wireless charging pad from Samsung. So this works with a wall charger and it has a maximum output of 15 watts. So let's have a look what else is written on the box. So it offers fast wireless charging, but do note that this will obviously not be as fast as normal wired charging. And this means you can also connect your smartwatches or say smart buds to this for wireless charging, and it is key compatible. Okay, so there isn't really much on the box, so let's just open up this box. So this is the wireless fast charging. So this is not that big. For comparison, let me place it next to my LG V30. So as you can see here, it is just a little bit wider than my device, so it's not really huge. Now let's see what is inside the box. There's a quick start guide. Oh, this is a surprise. We even have a fast charging brick here with this device. I'm really surprised to see this one because Huawei on their fast charger for the wireless charger does not provide this brick. They only provide the cable. So I'm really happy to see that this is present here. And as you can see, this charger is pretty similar to the one that I get on my S9 Plus. So this is obviously the fast charger. So that's really nice to see, because if you just buy this charger and this cable alone, that alone would cost at least 1,000 rupees for an original Samsung charger. And I got this one at 2,000 rupees. There's some sort of discount going on Samsung India website, so that was nice to see. Otherwise it is available for 3,300 rupees. So this is the cable here. So the cable is wide. Now let us charge it. Okay. So this is a fast charger. What is nice to see that this is a USB-C cable and this is USB-C compatible. I was really disappointed when I saw that some of the devices that I got, like Bluetooth earphones, Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth speakers, they all had a micro USB even at higher prices. So it's nice to see that this one has a USB-C, especially because I'm using a USB-C device. So let's see if this works here with my case. As you can see here, the charging has started. And obviously the speeds are going to be a bit low. I will be sharing what kind of speeds I'm getting in my full review of this wireless charger. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel for that. Now let's move it a bit and see if it still works. Okay, so the wireless charging stopped, so you have to make sure the position is good. As you can see here, there is a red light here at the bottom in this place that shows that it is actually charging. So let me turn the display off, and it is charging. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos.